Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra prices are revealed, getting too expensive. Hey, what's going on guys? Welcome back to the channel. Hope you're all doing good. Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra official prices are revealed and some inside information on why Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra is getting too expensive. Some news about regional changes and unpack event. Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra is around the corner. We're only few weeks left for official launch. We are getting some official price leak of new Samsung Galaxy S22 lineup. Now if I would say this is too expensive, but it's not include the 1TB of version of the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. Before moving on, if you like the content, make sure to drop a like, subscribe to the channel, and comment down below which phone you want to buy, S22, S22 Plus, or the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. Now, according to the leaks from a trusted sources on Twitter, reveal the official prices of the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra and the S22 lineup all models. Roland on Twitter posted the official prices where the S22 baseline model will cost €849, which is 8 gigs of RAM, 128 gigs of storage. S22 top model will cost you $899. S22 Plus, there got two models. One will cost you €1,049 and the other will cost you €1,099. And there's three models for the S22 Ultra. The base will cost you €1,249. The middle one will cost you €1,349 and the top will cost you $1,449, which is too expensive. Now, the issue behind the prices increase of all the devices, first because of inflation, and the second is the part shortage. I've already talked about this before, but the Samsung is facing issue of supplying parts, and one of the most important things are the parts prices are also increased, where some parts are actually increased by 15 to 20% and some are around 10%, which I already explained in my previous videos. Moreover, it's now confirmed that we may not see the 1TB of storage in the Galaxy S22 Ultra because there is no price reveal on that. It is not confirmed, but maybe Samsung will put 1TB in special edition S22 Ultra. Who knows, anything can happen. Now, Samsung uploaded a teaser of the S22 lineup unpack event but didn't confirm the launch date, but it is not confirmed according to the Ice Universe on Twitter, saying that the S22 Ultra is going to launch on 9th February 2022 and will go on sales on 25th of Feb 2022. Now, yesterday Samsung opened a reservation for the S22 lineup, mean that you can reserve your S22 Ultra or the Tab S8 and get a $50 credit on that. It is more of pre-order where you can get hands on the phone early than other people. Samsung this time also facing some issues with the Exynos 2200 production and may launch Exynos 2200 in less regions than before. Meanwhile, this time Samsung is planning to launch more variant of Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 than the Exynos. Like this time, South Asia is more likely to receive the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 processor variant and not the Exynos one. With that being said, if you came this far, drop a like, subscribe to the channel, and comment down below which phone you want to buy, S22, S22 Plus, or the whopping S22 Ultra. I'll see you next time. Till next time, peace out.